Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing today? Y'all, I was in my thoughts this morning. Today is Sunday, 30/25, and it's probably about 9ish. But anyway, I was in my thoughts today, and I know other people probably have had these same thoughts before. But what I was thinking about, listen. Some of the people that empower, some of the people that are not empowered, have been assigned by the enemy to strip us from so many different things: money, our minds, our heart, dignity. They are trying to strip us from everything that is good. Or let me say it like this right here: everything that came from God. Y'all, this is the time for us to draw in closer to God, because the road is going to get bumpier. And I've shared that before. But we have to know in our heart that God is still on the throne. And He has our best interests at heart. We got to stay trusting God. I know things are going to be presented to us in a way to make us think that we don't have a choice but to trust in what man is trying to strip us from. But we got to trust God, y'all, no matter what. We got to trust God. Don't be fooled by what is going on. Somewhere along the line, this got to be the plan of God, because God is allowing it to happen. But even in the plan of God, it could be a test for us. Who knows? But don't fail the test. Trust God. No matter how bumpy, no matter how turbulence come, no matter how it comes, we got to trust God. We got to trust God that God is going to bring us through all of this. And we got to trust God that He's the one that's in control, not man. Man think he's in control because he's been fueled by the enemy. And the enemy always have thought he was in control from day one. So we have to trust God no matter what. Trust God. Get it in you no matter what. You're going to trust God. Okay? No matter what. Y'all have a blessed day. I love y'all and thank you all for coming. Bye. I'll see you later.